Claire, also known as Blondie Builder. Today I'm going to share with you how I upcycled these old chest of drawers for the second time by adding some lollipop sticks, or as I know them at my work, tongue depressors. Now this is a really fun and easy way to upcycle some furniture, so let me show you how. My children helped me upcycle these drawers the first time a couple of years ago using some winter grey chalk paint. This time I wanted to give them a new lease of life for my guest room makeover. I started off by taking off the old handles and touching up the paint with some spray paint. I was inspired by my wooden flooring with the parquet style and decided I wanted to recreate this look on the front of my drawers. I bought some lollipop sticks, otherwise known as tongue depressors, from Amazon and began to get to work. After practicing my design layout on the floor, I chose the style I was happy with, marked out on the drawers where I wanted to begin, and then started to glue on the lollipop sticks with some wood glue. I deliberately left an overhang with a view to going back later and trimming the edges down. My first thought was that I could run a multi-tool along the edges and cut a nice neat line. However, in reality, these fragile sticks just broke off, and so I found an easier method. I used a pencil to mark the back of the sticks where they ended, flipped off the overhanging sticks, and then cut them down neatly using a scalpel, alternatively a Stanley blade. This left a nice, straight, neat edge. I used sandpaper to smooth off any rough edges, and then I glued them back on. Once these had set, I drilled through the original handle holes to make room for the new handles I had bought. I used some oak-coloured wood stain to dye the sticks to the desired colour. I applied with a sponge and then topped up with a brush. Next, I screwed in my new black circular handles, which I bought from Amazon to tie in with the rest of my room. And here is the finished result. What do you think? Not a bad makeover for under £20. If, like me, you love doing DIY on a budget and turning trash to treasure, then follow me on Instagram at Blondie Builder and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more creative ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.